see it in the movies.
See it in the movie.
Little shaky, shaky, shake.
You ain't gonna get this with Robert Redford's River Run Through It, I'll tell you that.
So this is a Renegade rough cut. Just wearing GoPros, out fishing, making stuff happen. Not bringing big cameras, just taking it simple, clean, good fun. And we're on some very productive, wild brook trout water. And this is pretty epic. I've gotten a couple. Tyler's gotten more than enough to fill a bucket at the local dinner hole.
We could feed 2 people off 3 inches brookies. Oh, there goes a banger.
That was a banger. Jeez, and bugs are touching me. All right, we're playing a little game of baseball. Can you explain what baseball is?
So we got a rod here. We got 2 people, you got 3 friends, and you all have like 1 rod. Play baseball. You go to each hole. Person gets up, he's got 3 strikes, so if he misses 3 fish like clearly, then he's out and the next person switches. Or if he catches a fish, that counts as a hit, next batter's up. And then we just keep doing that rotation all day till we're sick and tired of it.
So here we go. There we go. Came off, that's fine.
Landed up here again. Nice.
Sick little dude. Come here. Later. Oh, that was a sick eat.
That was a better fish too.
So that right there is a little wild brookie. Super cool. Let's let him go. You. Now, Tyler, it's your turn. It's a fun game.
Yeah.
Let's bounce to the next hole. So where are we? We're kind of lost. Where's the trailhead? Oh, back on dry ground. Ooh, next little hole.
I don't know if I'm gonna fish this one or the other one.
I don't know, man. You just need to get a couple casts in there, my guy. Little bow and arrow cast. Come on, someone come out for it. Oh, that was a beautiful mend. Come on. Somebody. Yeah. Dodgy. Whoa. Slippery rocks. Oh. So this is what it leads to. This giant rock just leads to gorgeous little run. Oh. Oh. There you go. Boom.
Bingo.
Made it happen.
Whoa.
Look at this guy.
Whoa.
Dodgy. Beautiful. He slipped out of his hand. Oh, goodbye. Adios.
Let's walk down a little bit.
Yeah, let's go down for that next pool.
This one right here? Let's go down a few.
Yeah, I think we need to go down a few more. I don't know, man. This next little pool looks sick. I'm gonna give it a go. I'll take my strikes where I can. Let's see if anybody's home. On. Wow, I fell down and still caught a fish. Little wild. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And kicks off like a mule. Oh, that's one. There we go. And he's off. All right, well then my time is over. There you go, my friend. I think a cool thing about a place like this is it's a national forest. So it's completely public. You can come here with your kids, your family, whomever, and get after, you know, this tighter, smaller water. It's super accessible, but more importantly, these fish are not that hard to catch. I think we can all find places where there's accessible water near our backyards or even within an hour or two drive and find very productive fishable water. You just got to go find it. Google Maps, Onyx, trout routes, you name it. Go find your local little honey hole. Tyler did. And now I'm here having a good time. Nice. Come on, there's got to be one there. Oh yeah, maybe. Boom. Got him.
That's a nice fish.
It's a pretty one. Let him go. He's fine. There's some good pocket water. There you go. All right. Tyler just caught that nice little fish. I saw some more fish over here, so that's where I'm working. There we go. Yeah, a little wild. Oh, dude, the colors on this one. Wow. Look how pretty that fish is. Gorgeous. Kicks off strong. Love it. Whew. Another little guy. Crazy colors. Insane. Kicks off like a mule. Got him. Oh, dude, there's a bigger one chasing them.
I know. It's just fun to show something up.
Later. All right, I'm all pooped out. This was fun. So we're walking back on the trailhead, getting back to the car. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the little bit of GoPro footage, a couple of eats, a couple of catches that we went ahead and put on into the first rough cut. If you like it, drop a like. It's a move of my mouse. It's super easy. So we're gonna keep on walking back. Maybe hit one more pocket. You might see some footage from that, but other than that, it's been a good day. Peace. Beautiful little native.
No.
No, I'm sorry. Beautiful little wild. Look at the colors on them. Oh, so beautiful. Let's get them back in the water.